Do not idolize a person who can get many girls and is a master of women or a master of men, because there is an essential character flaw that makes them spiritually unclean. Promiscuity, one. Two, they don't have spiritual hygiene because they're exposing themselves to all these regular people. Do you know how dirty a regular person is? Should you conceive yourself as royalty? Should you conceive yourself as the emperor, the pharaoh, the prince, whatever it is? Realize it means that you can't date just anyone. You can't just go up to the cashier at KFC and say, "Oh, you need to reserve yourself. You need to not be touched by the commoners." Not that there's something horribly wrong with a normal human being, but you need to understand that most women are covertly. Okay, well, you will find tendencies or patterns of covert hostility, meaning secretly trying to harm you or take from you in such a way that is not good among women. So if you've dated 24 women, how much has been taken from you? Two, low IQ. How many stupid conversations have you been having with these women after you slept with them? Yeah? Like how many, you can't even watch an intellectual movie. You can't watch Game of Thrones with any of these people because they're too much of a twit. Right? But yeah, you're successful with women. You're actually just not a good enough person to have one. So please, I want I want to put this out there that no, like somehow this, like, don't idolize this. That's not a good sign if someone can have many women. It's a sign that one, they're a twit because they can withstand lots of twit conversations. Two, it's a sign that they're spiritually unclean because they just let anybody touch them and any energy mix with theirs. Three, it is a sign that they are promiscuous, meaning not settled, not anchored. You want a person to be anchored, settled, calm. And then this person can guide you. Not someone who's all over the place. So realize that as much as you can absorb advice from the internet, if your idol is a pickup artist, he's probably nuts. Keep yourself clean. Find a smart girl. It's not everyone. And if someone can get everyone, that's a problem. Because you can't both get everyone and that select girl to keep. It's one or the other. The person is lost.